Hi student. Student, in previous videos we have studied about the souvenir. Today in this video we are going to see our lesson number 2.3. The name of our lesson is Abdul becomes a courtier. Student, that Abdul is a one student and he want to be a courtier of Imperial's court. And for that he want some great books to be a scholar person, and he was a poor student and it is not possible to get such as the books. How he get books and how he became a scholar and how he became a courtier, that we will see in this video. Okay student, first I start. Student, this lesson is adapted from the story Inter Mulla do Piazzana by the Pratibha Nath. Okay, that story to Pratibha Nath from this story Inter Mulla do Piazzana. Okay, student, now see student, I read, and while read I explain also. Okay, father who is a schoolmaster is getting ready to go to school. Abdul, father to knowledge and erudition, I aspire to study hard and deep. Books I require. Will you lend me a little gold? Books I shall buy and study to rise high in the world. Father, only the first half of the month has passed, but alas, the money doesn't last. Great books and manuscripts are so expensive. They are the treasures, rare and exclusive. But from my school, I will try to borrow books that will take you to a brighter tomorrow. Abdul, that will be great. How eagerly I wait. In the evening, when father returns, Abdul, how many books could you get? Oh, now my life will be all set. Father, I am so sorry, son. Couldn't lay my hands on even one. Chorus. Poor Abdul is sad and dejected. Ponders why my wishes are thus rejected. Continues to do his daily chorus. Read the borrowed books in tense and scarce. An idea then crosses his mind to serve the rich and get paid in kind. Now see student, Abdul is a person, is a student, okay, and he want to be a scholar, okay. When he saw his father, he is getting ready for go to school. He said to his father, Father, I want some books, okay. I want some books because I want to increase my knowledge as well as the erudition. Erudition means learning, yeah, scholarly work. I want increase my knowledge as well as I want to learn. For that, I want some books. And he asked a question to his father, will you lend me a little gold? For that, I want to bring some books and can you give me a little gold? That time father said, my dear son, half months only pass and the money doesn't remain, okay, doesn't last, okay. It is not possible to give money to bring these books because the great books as well as that manuscripts are so expensive, okay. Okay student, then he said to Abdul, if you want the books, I will bring some books from my school while coming, okay, in the evening. Then Abdul said, that will be great, okay, it's okay, you bring, okay. How eagerly I wait. And in the evening, when the father returns, student, in the evening, when father returns, okay, Abdul said to his father, how many books could you get? Now books and my life will be well set. Okay, but father said, I am so sorry my son, I couldn't bring anyone books also, anyone single books also I couldn't bring for you. Okay, then now student here chorus. Chorus means student here is a background music, means that is a background, that information is given that student. Poor Abdul is sad. He became sad when his father told him I couldn't bring anyone single books, and because of the economic condition weak of Abdul, that it is not possible to purchase the expensive grade books, and that's why he became very sad and rejected. Okay, now ponders. Why my wishes are thus rejected? He asked to himself, student. Ponders means think. Okay, why my wishes are thus rejected? Continues to do his daily chorus. While doing his work, he continuously doing his chorus. Read borrowed books in tens and scarce. Scarce means while doing his chorus, he borrowed books in tens and scarce means 20. What is the meaning of scarce? Set of 20. Okay? Okay. An idea then crosses his mind. Student, one idea while he was when he was very sad and he thinks about himself. How can I get? How I get books? That time he got an idea. Which was that idea? I will serve in rich, means I will do work in the under the rich, means in near the anyone rich person, and I will and get paid in kind, means I will not take money instead of the works. I will ask for kind. In kind means student give in the form of the goods or services and not money. Student means he will do work, but instead of money he will ask some books. Okay, student, now see. Abdul approaches a rich merchant. Abdul said, I am a poor student. Give me a chance to serve. Observe my work. Pay only what I deserve. Merchant said, you appear to be smart. Be my clerk. I shall pay you well. If honestly you work. Some day pass. The merchant calls Abdul. The merchant said, I am pleased with your work and loving here. You are indeed a gem, quite rare. I shall give you a reward if your demand is fair. Okay? Abdul said, excited, and said, may I know, read the books in your store? Quench my thirst for knowledge. I need nothing more. Chorus. Days passed by. He learned and learned, gaining the knowledge for which he yearned. Philosophy, astronomy, Arabic, and Persian. Abdul the scholar now is one in a million. Will he come to the emperor's notice? Will he be given an honorable office? Friend said, news for you, Abdul. The emperor has answered your prayer. The royal Murgi Khana is now under your care. Abdul said, what? The Murgi Khana found me a scholar, intellectual, sagacious, astute, made a poetry keeper? Never mind, the chance I won't refuse. It is an opportunity. I shall put it to good use. Now see student, in second page of this lesson, that Abdul went to the one rich merchant and he said, I am a poor student. Give me a chance to serve. Means give me a chance. Give me work in your work. Okay. First you observe my work and then pay what I deserve. Means means how I able only deserve that, pay that. Okay, student. Merchant say, you look very smart. You be my clerk. He gave a job of clerk to Abdul. Student, what is meant by clerk? A the merchant called the Abdul. Merchant said, I am very pleased to see your work, to your loving care. Okay, you are indeed a gem quite rare, and you are very gem. Gem is like a diamond, and rarely often found that. Okay, you are very intelligent. You are very smart. Okay, now. I shall give you a reward if you demand its fair. Means if you what do you say? If you say give me anything, and that is the fair. That time I will give you. Okay. You ask what you want. You ask me what you want. Okay. He said. Then Abdul became excited when he listened that merchant say you are very honestly person. You are the very you are a gem like that. You can ask me what you want. I will give you. That time Abdul became excited and say, may I use your books from your store? Okay, may I use? May I need now read some books from your stores. Okay, quench my thirst for knowledge. Quench means student means satisfy, and from your that store that there are the many books are available. With the help of books I can satisfy my thirst of my knowledge. Okay, I need nothing more. I didn't want more, the Abdul said. Now chorus. Okay, days passed by. He learned and learned, gaining his knowledge about the astronomy, philosophy, then Arabic, Persian, like that language subject he studied, and he became a scholar person, one of the scholar person in a million. Now see student, now what the Abdul want to be? A courtier. Now he become a scholar person, he gained his knowledge. Now next question he asked, which is that, will he come to be the imperial's notice? Because of his intelligence, because of his scholars, he will be noticed imperials. Next question is that, will he be given an honorable office? Imperial will give him a office. That question is came student. After the became scholar, he wrote a prayer. Prayer means student request. He did a request to the imperial. Please give me a job. Okay. And one day his friend came and said, a news for you, Abdul. The imperial has answered your prayer. Prayer means student request. Okay. Now the royal Murgi Khana is now under your care, and you are the head of the royal Murgi Khana. Okay. Then when Abdul listened that, he said, what? The Murgi Khana? For me, a scholar. Okay. Who am I? Intellectual. Sagacious. Attitude. Sagacious means student wise. Attitude means intelligent. Now I am a scholar, intellectual, as well as sagacious, attitude, and imperial made me a voluntary keeper. He said to himself, but never mind. The chance I won't refuse. I won't refuse this chance. It is an opportunity, and I shall put it good use, and I will do this job. Okay, student, till 2 we have seen. Okay, student, next remaining parts of this lesson we will see in next video. I hope you understood this video. Thank you. Thanks for watching.